Today we're going to talk about the Strain Relief Kit and how to install this on a sensor cable. The Strain Relief Kit comes with the Kellums grip, the pin, section of chain, 2 quick links, and zip ties plus the instructions. To get started, we're going to grab our cable and we're going to go ahead and put this on here like so. Now you're going to notice these hoops want to come together. We're going to use the angled piece of this pin to grab and go through these hoops and bring them together. Once complete, we're going to grab zip ties and feed them through the back side. Make sure they're nice and tight. We're going to tighten it like so. Going to give it a nice tug to make sure it's secure. Now I'm free to connect one end to the chain and then another end right here like so. Now this can be secured to wherever I need to with this quick link right here. And that's it. It's as simple as that. That's how to install the Strain Relief Kit on Seametrics cables. Thank you.